bits and bobs all over the place. But
so I'm just going to ask you, Dave, what's happening in your water-filled test pit?
Right, the reason I'm lying in a puddle of mud here is we're trying to get a profile of the soil in this corner of the field. There were some finds came from quite deep down in this area, and it doesn't seem to quite match with the rest of the field. So I'm wondering if we've had soil redeposited when they made the road, perhaps in the 1700s, which might be the reason why we've got such a deep layer of soil here. And I think that kind of makes sense in our section here. So this gives us an idea of where all the layers of the soil are. I can see there's a layer of reddish burning there, which looks like the remains of a bonfire from some point in time. We've got no dating evidence, but that's down at this level here. So we think that this layer of soil on the top might be something that has been put there in the last few hundred years. Unfortunately, it's all below the water table, so I've got a sump in the corner which is full of water, which I keep after bailing out, and I have to give up quite soon, I think.